Geologists define minerals as a homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. For general and commercial purpose, minerals can be classified as metallic and non-metallic minerals. Again, when it comes to metallic minerals, it has two divisions, that is ferrous based and non-ferrous based. Among the ferrous based, the most important minerals that are used is iron ore, manganese ore and nickel. And the non-ferrous based are bauxite, copper, lead. Similarly, when it comes to non-metallic minerals, among the non-metallic minerals, the first one in India is mica, limestone, granite, marble, etc. Then there is one more category of minerals known as energy minerals, and this will have coal, mineral oil, natural gas. Where are these minerals found? Minerals are usually found in the ores. The term ore is used to describe an accumulation of any mineral mixed with other elements. So let us begin with the first mineral, and that is iron ore. India is fairly rich in iron ore deposits, and some amount of iron ore is practically found in all parts of the country. India is the fourth largest iron ore producing country in the world. The first one is Australia, second Brazil, third China, fourth India, and fifth Russia. Iron content found in these ores in India varies between 49 to 63%. Now the major iron ore belts in India are Bellary, Chitradurga, Chikmagalur, Tumkur belt. The second one is Odisha Jharkhand belt. Then it is Durg, Bastar, Chandrapur belt. The important iron ore producing states in India are Karnataka, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Goa, and Jharkhand. Karnataka is the largest producer and accounts for nearly 1/4 of the total iron ore produced in the country. So we come to Bellary, Chitradurga, Chikmagalur, Tumkur belt. Here it is Kudremukh mines. Kudremukh mines is located in the western ghats of Karnataka. Kudremukh deposits are known to be one of the largest in the world. Kudremukh lies in Chikmagalur district. Then it is Bellary. In Bellary district, iron ore is found in Hospet and Sandur. Then it is Shimoga and Chitradurga districts. Coming to Odisha Jharkhand belt. In Odisha, high-grade hematite ore is found in Badampahar mines in Mayurbhanj district. Then it is Kendujhar district. This is also known as Keonjhar district. Then it is Sambalpur and Sundargarh. In the state of Jharkhand, iron ore is found in Singhbhum district. In Singhbhum, it is mined in Goa and Naumundi. Then it is Palamau district. Now we come to Durg, Bastar and Chandrapur belt. This belt lies in Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. Here, very high-grade hematite ore is found. In Chhattisgarh, it is found in Bailadila range of hills in the Bastar district of Chhattisgarh, and then it is found in Durg district. The range of hills comprise of 14 deposits of super high-grade hematite iron ore. It has the best physical properties needed for steel making. Iron ore from these mines is exported to Japan and South Korea via Vishakhapatnam port. Then comes Maharashtra Goa belt. Goa has vast deposits of iron ore. However, the iron ore is of inferior limonite and siderite variety. In Goa, the richer and larger varieties are confined to manganese. India ranks somewhere. First one, South Africa, China, Gabon, Brazil, and then it is India. Manganese is mainly used in the manufacture of steel. Nearly 10 kg of manganese is required to manufacture 1 ton of steel. 2/3 of the country's manganese reserves are found in peninsular India. It is found in the Nagpur and Bhandara belt of Maharashtra and Balaghat and Chindwara belt of Madhya Pradesh. Now in Odisha, it is found in Kendujhar, Sundargarh, Mayurbhanj, Talcher, and Koraput. In Karnataka, it is found in Shimoga, Bellary, Chitradurga, and Tumkur. In Telangana, it is found in Adilabad. In Andhra Pradesh, it is found in Vijayanagaram, Vishakhapatnam. In Goa, it is found in Sangam. We now come to the next metal, that is bauxite. Aluminium is obtained from bauxite. Bauxite deposits are formed by the decomposition of a wide variety of rocks rich in aluminium silicates. India's bauxite deposits are mainly found in the Amarkantak Plateau, Michael Hills, and the plateau regions of Bilaspur. Odisha is the largest bauxite producing state in India. In Odisha, the districts are Kalahandi, Korapur, Bolangir, Sundargarh, and Sambalpur. In Jharkhand, it is Ranchi and Palamau. In Gujarat, it is Jamnagar, Junagadh, Kheda, and Kutch. In Maharashtra, it is Ratnagiri, Thane, Satara, Pune. In Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, it is Amarkantak Plateau, Michael Range, the Katni area of Jabalpur district, and the plateau regions of Bilaspur. Next metal, and that is copper. Now, India is critically deficient in the reserves and production of copper. Being malleable and ductile and a good conductor of electricity, copper is mainly used in electrical cables, electronics, and chemical industry. Now, it is found in the Balaghat mines in Madhya Pradesh, Singhbhum district of Jharkhand, and Khetri mines in Rajasthan. Coming to non-metallic minerals, the first one I would say is mica. Mica is a mineral made up of a series of plates or leaves. It splits easily into thin sheets. These sheets can be so thin that 1,000 can be laid into a mica sheet of a few centimeter high. Mica can be clear, black, green, red, yellow, or brown. Due to its excellent dielectric strength, low power loss factor, insulating properties, and resistance to high voltage, mica is one of the most indispensable minerals used in electric and electronic industries. Now, the important states where mica is found is Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Bihar, and Jharkhand. Andhra Pradesh ranks first in the production. Mica belt lies in the Nellore district. It is found in the Gudur mica mines, and Gudur mica mines, when I say Gudur, it is a town in Nellore district. Then it is Vishakhapatnam, West Godavari, and Krishna. These are the other important mica producing districts. In Rajasthan, the mica belt extends from Jaipur to Udaipur along the Aravalli range. Mica deposits are found in the northern edge of the Chota Nagpur plateau. Then it is Bihar. In Bihar, it is mainly found in the Gaya district. Then it is Jharkhand. In Jharkhand, it is found in Hazaribagh and Koderma districts. Then we come to limestone. Limestone is mainly used as a flux in the iron and steel industry. Steel is made from mainly 4 ingredients, and they are iron ore, manganese ore, coal, and limestone. The role of limestone is it mixes up with the impurities, and the main impurity is silica and brings it out. That's why we say it is used as a flux. Second, limestone is used in the cement industry because Adilabad, Warangal. In Andhra Pradesh, it is found in Prakasham. In Jharkhand, it is found in Singhbhum, Palamau, Ranchi. In Gujarat, it is found in Dwarka, Porbandar, Sikka. In Chhattisgarh, it is Bilaspur and Durg. In Maharashtra, it is Chandrapur, Nanded. In Odisha, it is Sundargarh, Sambalpur, Kalahandi. In Rajasthan, it is Savai Madhopur, Dungarpur, Bikaner, and Ajmer.
Look at these maps to study the distribution of minerals in India. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. Major limestone producing states in India are Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. Iron is found mainly in Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Major bauxite producing areas are Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. Copper is mainly produced in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Manganese is mainly found in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Kolar in Karnataka has deposits of gold in India.
Students, that is the map shows the distribution in India. आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं और फिल कर सकते हैं. Okay? Try to fill yourself. Here is also map shows the distribution minerals of India. आप देख सकते हैं इधर इस साइड सिंबल शोज हो रखे हैं कि कहाँ मिनरल्स किस जगह पर है और आप भी ऐसे शो कर सकते हैं. आयरन और कॉपर, बॉक्साइट, गोल्ड. Okay, so try to yourself.